Ona thengia wa ministry ya urimi guku bururi-ini guthie na mbere kugathika mitaratara itiganite ya kuhurana na ngigi iria igumeire makiria ma kaunti 27, umithio wa mitaratara iyo ni ukoretwo gikirirwo nganja na njira nene. Umuthi minister wa urimi Peter Munya na uria ukwaragia giikaro-ini kia mwanya na anyiti itemi matiganite guku Nairobi ni augire ni marageria uria wothe mangihota mihango-ini ya kuhurana na ngigi.
Friends and partners have already come forward to lend a hand in terms of giving technical support, also in terms of giving resources. The national government has also mobilized its own resources. I already announced to you the amount of money that the government is deploying, and it is not the end of it. Once we require more, it will soon be deployed.
Oho Munya ni anireire kurekererio kwa ngari na ndege makiria cia kuhira ngigi, akiuga ati mena ataramu akinyaniru agutwarithia na mbere mihango iyo icigo-ini iria igomeirwo ni king'uki kia ngigi.
Further, we seek to control more, to procure more ground control vehicles, protective clothing, GPSs, and radio communication for ground control operations. And indeed, the information I have is the 10 fast vehicles are almost ready. But I've also given instructions that the vehicles we are procured for projects be mounted with motorized sprayers and be deployed to do this effort.
Handu-ini hake, Gavana wa Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki ni oritie thirikari cia kaunti o undu umwe na thirikari nene cinyitanire na muingi hari kuhurana na ngigi ici.
We should look at it as a problem that all of us need to deal with. And at this point, I'm going to urge the leaderships of all governments, both national and county, to involve the communities and sensitize them to be actively involved in controlling these NIMs themselves.
Ndumiriri-ini yake kuri andikia mohoro, muikariri giti wa kanjo ya magavana Wycliffe Oparanya ni oritie thirikari nene iteithiririe thirikari cia kaunti kimuhuko ita njira ya kumateithia kuhurana na ngigi ici.
The control measures have not been adequate, and so far the epidemic is growing very fast. Hence, there is need for consultated effort by both levels of government and other stakeholders, and adequate funding from national treasury to finance the response activities.
Kuma tariki 8 mweri wa Dithemba mwaka muhituku, icigo ngurani guku bururi-ini ikoretwo ikigumirwo ni king'uki kia ngigi iria ikoretwo igithukangia indo cia arimi migunda-ini, undu uria ukoretwo ugitumura hahu ya bururi kugomerwo ni ng'aragu matuko mokite. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Muiruri wa Kang'aram.